Hello everybody, in this video I will talk about the Python program to create two different lists from one big list. Okay, I will be taking a list of numbers, and from that list of numbers I will be creating two different lists. In the first list there will be numbers less than 100. In the second list there will be numbers greater than or equal to 100. Now let's start coding. Okay, nums is equal to 3022. Okay, let's have few numbers. Okay, now let's suppose this is a list of numbers. Now we have to create two different lists from these numbers. One will contain the values less than 100 and another will contain the values greater than or equal to 100. So I have created two empty lists. In Python, square brackets are used to create the list, and a list is the collection of ordered changeable data. Okay, a list can have any kind of data types. Here I am using all the integer. It can have integer, characters, strings, everything. Actually not characters, real numbers, okay, strings, everything. Now let's divide these nums, one big list, to smaller list according to our rule. Okay, for this I will using the for loop. For x in nums, okay, if the x is less than 100, what we have to do? We have to store this value to first list. So append is the method we will be using to store the value in the list. Initially n1 is empty and there is nothing, so we are using the append method to this list to store x if the value of x is less than 100. Okay, else what we have to do? We have to store that value in another list, that is the n2. We will be using the append method x. Okay, in this way what we are doing is we are iterating through all the numbers of this list's nums. Here the value of x will be initially 1, then 2, then 3, and so on, and that value will be checked whether if it is less than 100 or not. If it is less than 100, then that value will be stored within n1, otherwise that value will be stored within another list, that is the n2. Now let's display this one. Print contents of n1 comma less than 100 for I in n1. Okay, print I. Okay, that's print contents of n2 greater than or equal to 100. Okay, then for I in n2 print I. Okay, now let's execute this. Now we can see content of n1 with the value is less than 100, and content of n2 values less than greater than or equal to 100. So in this way we can use the concept of list. There is the method append within the list to add elements to the list. So this is a very simple logic to divide one big list into smaller lists on the basis of some rules. Okay, so in this way we can use the Python code to divide the big list into smaller lists. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.